English lesson first. English spoken course for beginners. If you are a beginner, you are going to learn grammar, spoken English, all of them, everything free in this course. This is day first lesson of this English spoken course. We are going to learn in this lesson basic alphabet and its pronunciation. Second, you are going to learn introductions in English, how you can introduce yourself in English, and we are going to focus basic grammar. Each lesson we are going to have different table of content. So this time I'm going to teach you these three things in this lesson. So let's get it started. We are going to focus as a first basic alphabet and its pronunciation. I know if you are listening me, you are able to understand this. But let's try to learn this pronunciation as a basic part of the first lesson in a structure. So we are going to go structure by structure until the advanced level. So let's start with pronunciation. A, B, C, D, E, F, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, or Z. You can have the pronunciation. Now, the next point we are going to talk about introduction in English. This is going to be really basic. Let's get it started. You are going to introduce yourself with hi or hello or hey. Hi, my name is your name. Say it after, repeat after me. Hi, my name is Lakhan. Hello, my name is. Hello, my name is. Hello, my name is Lakhan. I am from. I am from Pakistan. I am from USA. You are going to say your country name after these three words. I am from country. I live in your city here. I live in Umarkot. I live in Chicago. Right? Now about your age. I am number of age 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, 30, etc. years old. I'm 23 years old. I'm 23 years old. Now try to listen carefully. Hi, my name is Lakhan. Hello, my name is Lakhan. I'm from Pakistan. I live in Umarkot. I'm 23 years old. Now say it again. If you are a beginner, try to practice by saying it slowly to the faster. Hi, my name is Lakhan. Start. You can pause this video for 5 seconds and repeat it. Moving to the next page. I am a student. I study at the name of a place, workplace, or the school place, the name of school. I am student. I study at etc. college, the name of the college and this. I am student. I study at high school, right? I am an engineer, right? I am a doctor. I am a freelancer. Any one of them you can use. My hobbies are, my hobbies are, possible answer is, I love traveling, watching movies, reading books, cycling, and listening to music. These are some of hobbies that I have gave you answer. Now, please repeat after me or pause the video and try to say it by yourself. Now, the main important part we are going to study is third, basic grammar. In a basic grammar, you're going to understand the most common that we have to learn. The first basic grammar is first person singular, first person plural, second person singular and plural, and the third person singular and third person plural. So that's all we are going to do. When you talk about first person singular, you're talking about you, I. When you talk I and someone else, like we. So we are first person plural, right? And second person singular and plural is you. If you talk second person singular, so it means, of course, it means you. But when you have more than two people, or we are, I am, my brothers, my friends, we are here. So you are going to say, you are here. It means you are using plural you to all of us. I hope you are trying to understand. Feel free to comment below for your questions, please. Third person singular. He, she, it. Third person singular is he, she, it. Any one of singular name. Lakhan, Joy, any one of them. And third person plural is they, right? Let's try to understand more better in this next page. First person singular, we use do and does. There are two of them. Plural and singular, we can use do and does. First person singular, do. First person plural, do. Second person singular plural, do. Third person singular, does. He, she, it. And third person plural, do, as a they. They do, right? I do, we do, you do, he, she, it, and one singular name, do. Here we have simple box. I, we, you, and they do. He, she, and it does. I hope you understand accurately. Let me teach you one more interesting part. So here we have basic grammar. Here we are going to learn name, one name, Julia does, two names, Julia and Aliba do. Anna does, Julia and I do, right? Do. Here, Anna does, Julia and I do. That's a correct answer. Remember, You can all add es and s with third person singular. She knows, he plays, it rains, Julia goes. So this is a very important part when you talk third person singular, right? For example, here, Julia and Alba do, Julia or Alba does. Do you know why? Because when you talk about two-person, you're adding and, one and second. But we are saying or, you're telling two people, but you're asking me to choose one of that two people. Even you have to choose a comb or you can choose tissue, right? One of them, not two. So I can say tissue or comb. Lakhan or joy does, right? Or does not in the negative. Let me tell you more about here in the next page, the negative one. Here you have a simple quiz. You have to select don't and doesn't with first, second, third, fourth, five, six. There are six very simple sentences. You have to pause, take a screenshot, try to write your answer, and comment me below. I would love to check your answers and let you know. Feel free to contact me on Instagram, Damani, the same username I have on Facebook, Messenger, anywhere, Instagram. I am going to trying to help you. As this is first lesson, I would like to ask you feedback. Feel free to type it below. Whatever you have questions, whatever you have a suggestion for the next lesson. But I am going to try to create the next lesson according to the course. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm looking forward to meet you in the next lesson. Thank you guys. Love you. Take care.